Imagine replacing a dual monitor setup with a single display that does it all: work, play, and everything in between. LG's UltraWide 49U950A-W promises to redefine what a monitor can be. This 49-inch ultra-wide monitor packs a 5120 by 1440 resolution, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a color-accurate IPS panel. Its gentle 3800R curve provides immersion without straining your eyes. And with 98% DCI-P3 coverage, everything from spreadsheets to videos pops with vibrant, lifelike color. While the specs make it a gaming powerhouse, the ultra-wide format truly shines for professionals. Work across multiple applications effortlessly, and thanks to the built-in KVM switch, your keyboard, mouse, and peripherals seamlessly switch between connected devices. Hook up computers or laptops via HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, the latter even charging your notebook with up to 90 watts. Two additional USB-A ports expand your connectivity, while the height-adjustable stand and ambient light sensor adapt to your workspace and environment. And don't overlook the built-in 2x10 watts stereo speakers, providing surprisingly rich sound for music, videos, or meetings. LG's UltraWide 49U950A-W isn't just a monitor. It's a productivity hub, a media canvas, and a gaming stage all in one. Available soon in Singapore at around $1,799. It may just be the upgrade your desk has been waiting for.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.